Hey guys, this is Miss Rodriguez. In this video, we are going to divide a decimal by a decimal. So please make sure you are writing this on your paper and let's get started. So step one is to set it up. So we have 15 and 24 hundredths divided by 4 tenths. So after we write the problem, we need to ask ourselves, do we have a whole number as our divisor? And that divisor is the outside number. Okay, well, our divisor is 4 tenths. That is not a whole number, and we want it to be a whole number so that we can divide it. So what we're going to have to do is move the decimal to the right to divide it. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to move the decimal one place to the right. It has to be all the way over to the right of the number. So sometimes you might move it one time. Sometimes you might move the decimal more than one time. Okay. But we're going to move the decimal all the way to the right. And that's the same as really just multiplying by 10 every time you move the decimal. Okay, and whatever I do to my divisor, I must also do to my dividend. So I'm going to do the same thing to 15 and 24 hundredths. It's going to become 152 and 4 tenths. Okay, so that is the first step. My second step is to rewrite it. And yes, you must rewrite it. So on the right, you need to set up that division again, and you need to rewrite it with the decimal now in the correct spot. All right, so we have 152 and 4 tenths divided by 4. Okay, so now we just start dividing. All right, 4 does not go into 1, but it does go into 15. It goes into 15 3 times. And notice how I wrote that 3 above the 5, not the 1. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12. And then I subtract 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. Okay, then I need to bring down 2. Okay, 4 goes into 32. That's going to go exactly 8 times. 4 times 8 is 32. And some of you might be thinking, okay, that's it. I'm done. No more. No remainder. But here's the problem. You still have a 4 in your dividend. So no matter what, even if you have a number left in your dividend, you must bring it down and you must divide it. Even if the number is a 0, you must bring that number down and divide the number. So we're going to bring the 4 down. 4 goes into 4 one time. And I have to remember also to bring up that decimal point from the dividend into the quotient. And we said it went one time, right? So we put that in the quotient as well. 4 times 1 is 4. And now I truly have no remainder and I don't have any other numbers left in my dividend. Okay, so the final answer is going to be 38 and 1 tenths. So just make sure you write this down on your paper and take a picture for the next slide. All right, thank you very much.